Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the camera focusing issues on the iPad Pro. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the reasons behind the frustrating problem of blurry or distorted images and provide you with practical and effective solutions. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Over time, dust, fingerprints, and smudges can hinder your camera's performance. To rectify this, grab a clean microfiber cloth or a gentle cotton swab. Carefully wipe the lens using soft, circular motions to remove any dirt or debris. Remember, avoid harsh chemicals or vigorous rubbing that could scratch the lens. Cleaning the lens is a simple yet effective first step to ensure your iPad Pro camera captures stunningly clear photos and videos. Sometimes temporary software glitches can cause camera issues. To fix this, you need to restart the iPad. Press and hold the power button along with either of the volume buttons. Keep holding until you see a slider on the screen. Slide the slider to turn off your iPad Pro. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. This quick restart can help clear any software hiccups affecting the camera app or hardware, potentially resolving the focusing problem. The next troubleshooting step is to update your device software. Sometimes software bugs can cause camera issues, and updating your iPad Pro's software can help resolve these problems. To update, go to Settings, tap on General, and select Software Update. If there's an update available, tap on Download and Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. This update can fix any bugs or errors that might be affecting your camera's performance. If your iPad Pro camera is still giving you trouble, let's move on to the next step: resetting all settings on your device. This can help restore your device's settings to their default values and potentially eliminate any conflicts affecting the camera app or hardware. Remember, this process won't erase any data or content on your iPad Pro, but it will reset your preferences and settings for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, privacy, and more. If you've reached this point and your iPad Pro camera is still not focusing, it's time to consider contacting Apple support. Apple support can guide you through potential solutions or arrange for repairs if necessary. If the issue is related to hardware damage, they'll be able to provide you with the best course of action. Thanks for watching this troubleshooting guide. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content and updates. We're here to help you make the most of your iPad Pro and other devices.